Navigating cobblestone streets and elite Mediterranean cafes requires a wardrobe that perfectly balances supreme comfort with uncompromising formal geometry. Most men ruin their European holidays by packing uninspired, sloppy tourist attire that immediately marks them as outsiders. True travel elegance demands strategic layering, wrinkle-resistant textiles, and an effortless old-money aesthetic that commands instant respect across any border. Today, we decode the ultimate packing blueprint for the seasoned gentleman. To master international sartorial dominance and elevate your global presence, you must subscribe to the Man Style Decree right now. One, the Merino Travel Blazer. Navigating international terminals demands outerwear that stretches naturally while retaining strict formal geometry. A navy-fine merino wool travel blazer provides exceptional shape recovery, reflecting the breathable tailoring benchmark by purveyors like Zegna. The worsted yarn naturally repels minor wrinkles after long transatlantic flights, keeping your silhouette remarkably sharp upon arrival. Layer this structural masterpiece over a cream lightweight cotton mock neck for a sleek, modern neckline that eliminates collar crushing. Pair the upper garments with mid-gray tech gabardine trousers to facilitate effortless mobility across cobblestone plazas. Anchor this sophisticated transit uniform with dark chocolate suede slip-on sneakers and a titanium GMT travel watch. Supreme comfort never requires abandoning sartorial elegance. 2. The Suede Harrington. European evenings frequently introduce unpredictable temperature drops that require a luxurious, wind-resistant outer shell. A deep espresso brown Suede Harrington jacket delivers profound tactile richness, capturing the architectural standard perfected by houses like Valstar. The buttery, unlined suede provides crucial warmth without unnecessary bulk, allowing graceful movement during late dinners. Layer this magnificent piece over a sage green, fine, gauge, cotton crewneck sweater. Contrast these dark, earthy tops with light beige cotton Cashmere-Blend trousers for a brilliant, grounded palette. Complete the refined aesthetic with dark brown leather chukka boots and a vintage steel chronograph watch. Proper layering remains the ultimate secret to flawless transitional weather dressing. 3. The Pique Popover. Exploring coastal Mediterranean towns requires breathable tops that offer slightly more structural authority than a standard t-shirt. A dusty rose cotton Pique Popover introduces an exquisite vintage sporting aesthetic, echoing the effortless resort elegance championed by Luca Filoni. The half-placket design beautifully frames the upper chest while the collar stands firmly against ocean breezes. Tuck this garment cleanly into bright white high-twist cotton trousers to create a spectacular, sun-reflecting contrast. Fasten the waist with a braided navy blue leather belt. Ground the brilliant ensemble with navy blue canvas espadrilles, plain tortoiseshell sunglasses, and a rose gold dress watch. Vibrant tailored combinations instantly elevate your daytime holiday presentation. 4. The Bamboo Blend Waistcoat. Layering during daytime museum tours requires extremely lightweight middle garments to maintain visual interest without overheating. A camel bamboo blend tailored waistcoat offers superb moisture-wicking properties, reflecting the breathable tailoring benchmark by purveyors like Brunello Cucinelli. This structured piece completely controls the midsection, projecting formal authority while leaving the arms entirely free. Wear it buttoned over a pale blue chambray long-sleeve shirt with rolled cuffs. Anchor the sophisticated combination with dark olive green lightweight cavalry twill trousers for a highly compelling color narrative. Finish the look with tan suede double monk strap shoes, and a classic bronze pilot watch. Architectural precision significantly enhances any casual travel wardrobe. 5. The lightweight denim tailoring. Blending rugged American textiles with European cutting techniques produces an incredibly versatile garment for extended metropolitan sightseeing. An indigo lightweight denim tailored jacket delivers robust visual character, capturing the architectural standard perfected by houses like Boucle. The soft wash removes initial stiffness, ensuring the jacket molds gracefully to your body over the journey. Layer this dynamic piece over a crisp white brushed cotton polo for immaculate interior softness. Contrast the deep indigo upper block with dark charcoal gray worsted wool trousers to establish serious sophistication. Ground the confident look with black leather penny loafers and a sleek black ceramic watch. Exceptional tailoring completely redefines traditional workwear fabrics. 6. The Cashmere-Blend Shacket. Navigating crisp morning markets requires transitional garments that feel comfortably plush, yet look unmistakably formal. A burnt orange Cashmere-Blend Shacket provides a spectacular burst of sophisticated seasonal color, echoing the effortless resort elegance championed by Loro Piana. The dense, luxurious fabric acts as a gentle shield against early chills while remaining entirely unrestrictive. Combine this vibrant overshirt casually over a dark gray merino wool short-sleeve t-shirt. Pair these tops with navy blue moleskin trousers to absorb the upper brightness perfectly. Complete the cohesive aesthetic with dark brown leather Chelsea boots and a polished silver field watch. Bold color choices always command respect when properly balanced with dark neutrals. 7. The textured Boucle Polo. Elevating a simple dinner outfit demands knits with highly unusual surface textures that capture ambient restaurant lighting beautifully. A mustard yellow cotton Boucle polo shirt introduces incredible tactile dimension, reflecting the breathable tailoring benchmark by purveyors like Massimo Dutti. The looped yarn construction creates a fascinating, spongy exterior that naturally resists flat creasing after long train rides. Pair this highly saturated piece directly with deep espresso brown lightweight corduroy trousers to maintain a deeply rich textural continuity. Anchor the stylish combination using dark brown leather tassel loafers, a plain black woven belt, and a gold-tone minimalist watch. Strategic tactile investments constantly upgrade your sophisticated travel rotation. 8. The technical trench coat. Sudden European downpours necessitate protective outerwear that never compromises your meticulously curated formal foundation beneath. A slate blue technical unlined trench coat delivers exceptional water resistance, capturing the architectural standard perfected by houses like Merino. The modern synthetic blend drapes cleanly over the body, avoiding the stiff, crinkling nature of traditional rain gear. Layer this elegant shield over a simple light gray, fine cotton crewneck sweater. Combine the upper garments with dark navy blue stretch cotton chinos for a highly functional, moisture-repelling base. Finish the commanding wet weather look with black waterproof leather derby shoes and a robust steel dive watch. Proper elemental protection remains fundamentally crucial for seasoned travelers. 9. The Placket front knit. Integrating knitwear with button-down mechanics provides superior ventilation control while wandering through crowded historical plazas. A forest green button-through knit polo operates flawlessly as a lightweight jacket alternative, echoing the effortless resort elegance championed by Sunspell. The full front placket allows you to adjust the neckline instantly as ambient temperatures shift throughout the afternoon. Layer this versatile piece casually over a white ribbed cotton tank top. Pair the layered tops with light khaki high-density cotton trousers for an iconic, adventure-ready contrast. Complete the handsome aesthetic using dark brown suede desert boots and a solid bronze mechanical watch. Versatile garments dramatically reduce the required volume of your luggage. The unstructured flannel blazer. Attending upscale evening theater performances requires undeniable elegance that still feels remarkably comfortable after hours of walking. A charcoal gray unstructured lightweight flannel blazer provides supreme softness, reflecting the breathable tailoring benchmarked by purveyors like Suit Supply. The brushed surface diffuses light beautifully, projecting a deeply intellectual and refined masculine aesthetic. Layer this exquisite jacket over a pale lavender, fine poplin shirt to inject a subtle, sophisticated burst of color. Anchor the formal upper block with black worsted wool trousers to ensure a strictly sharp lower silhouette. Ground the entire look with black patent leather Oxford shoes and a sleek silver dress watch. Formal evening wear always benefits from relaxed construction. 11. The Tencel camp shirt. Embracing relaxed Mediterranean vibes requires fabrics that flow dynamically with the wind while maintaining an opaque, luxurious finish. A rich terracotta Tencel camp collar shirt offers an incredible, heavy drape, capturing the architectural standard perfected by houses like Orabar Brown. The eco-friendly fiber feels exceptionally cool against the skin and resists the stiff rumpling associated with pure plant fibers. Tuck this vibrant shirt neatly into cream lightweight gabardine trousers to establish a strikingly balanced visual presentation. Finish the lower half with tan woven leather loafers, a matching tan leather belt, and a vintage gold watch. Modern textile innovations consistently deliver superior performance for upscale, summer holiday environments. The Suede Safari Jacket. Utilitarian silhouettes, crafted from highly premium hides, provide an imposing, authoritative presence during countryside estate visits. A camel unlined suede safari jacket introduces magnificent functional geometry, echoing the effortless resort elegance championed by Ralph Lauren Purple Label. The multiple bellows pockets offer practical storage, while the waist belt secures a highly flattering, inverted triangle shape. Wear this commanding outerwear over a light blue microcheck fine cotton shirt. Contrast the warm suede with deep olive green heavy twill trousers. Complete the ruggedly handsome ensemble using dark brown leather brogues and a sophisticated steel chronograph watch. Heritage outerwear designs translate flawlessly into luxurious modern European travel wardrobes. The ribbed cotton cardigan. Managing crisp coastal winds requires substantial knitwear that physically blocks drafts without looking like heavy winter apparel. A navy blue thick-ribbed cotton cardigan acts as a formidable barrier, reflecting the breathable tailoring benchmarked by purveyors like Piacenza Cashmere. The pronounced vertical ribbing adds significant visual height, while the chunky shawl collar frames the jawline magnificently. Layer this substantial sweater over a simple, white Supima cotton t-shirt. Pair these tops with light, gray flannel finish cotton trousers for an incredibly soft, unified textural experience. Anchor the outfit using gray suede driving moccasins and a minimalist titanium watch. Strategic knitwear deployment easily conquers unpredictable seaside weather fluctuations. 14. The washed Cupro overshirt. Disguising travel fatigue relies heavily on utilizing fabrics that possess a subtle, natural luster to instantly brighten your complexion. A dusty blue washed Cupro overshirt delivers an exceptionally smooth, peach-like finish, capturing the architectural standard perfected by houses like Todd Snyder. The regenerated cellulose fiber drapes with a fluid elegance that instantly elevates any casual base layer beneath it. Layer this dynamic piece over a navy blue, fine gauge cotton knit polo. Anchor the sophisticated tonal combination with dark brown, lightweight corduroy trousers. Finish the cohesive presentation with dark brown suede Chelsea boots and a polished silver mechanical watch. Sophisticated materials effortlessly conceal long days of continuous transit. (15) The Solaro wool suit. Commanding absolute respect at high-end European luncheons requires garments engineered specifically to interact beautifully with direct midday sunlight. A tan Solaro wool-tailored suit provides an extraordinary iridescent optical effect, echoing the effortless resort elegance championed by Canali. The unique red yarn underweave flashes subtly through the tan surface, creating a stunning, deeply sophisticated visual dimension. Soften the intense formality slightly by layering a crisp white cotton crewneck t-shirt underneath the jacket. Complete the incredibly sharp daytime aesthetic with light brown suede tassel loafers, a light brown leather belt, and a rose gold dress watch. Specialized suiting fabrics always demonstrate an elite understanding of classic masculine tailoring rules. Projecting quiet luxury while traveling abroad is the ultimate test of your sartorial discipline and refined personal taste. By investing in these highly versatile, architectural garments, you guarantee your appearance remains flawlessly sharp from morning museum tours to exclusive evening dinners. You no longer have to sacrifice your sophisticated masculine identity just to survive a transatlantic flight. Mastering this elite lifestyle is an ongoing, highly rewarding journey. To continue refining your uncompromising wardrobe and command absolute respect worldwide, ensure you subscribe to the Man Style Decree immediately.